Hey guys, what's happening? How to find Netflix password when logged in. So luckily, if you're using iPhone and logged in using your credentials, iPhone will ask you, or the password app now will ask you if you want to save the login information to your phone, right? And if you accept it, then you'll be able to see your password from within, right? So I'm gonna try to pin down password app, and you're gonna see all your passwords across social media platforms, right? You can go ahead and hit all, and then search for Netflix, right? Click right here, and of course you're gonna see that Netflix password. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and catch you in the next time.